Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase stress relief with calm, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the sources of your stress. Take a moment to reflect on what triggers stress in your life. Write these triggers down to create a clear picture. Next, explore the Calm app's interface. Download the Calm app from your device's app store. Set up your account with a simple login process. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the categories available. You'll find meditations, sleep stories, and music designed for relaxation. Start with guided meditations tailored for beginners. Choose a meditation session that resonates with you. Aim for sessions that range from 5 to 10 minutes to start. Find a quiet space where you can fully concentrate. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing as you begin. Follow the narrator's voice and let go of distractions. After your session, take a moment to reflect on your experience. Consider how you felt before and after the meditation. Next, incorporate calm sleep stories into your nightly routine. Select a story that captures your interest. Listen while settling into bed to help ease your mind. Experiment with different sleep stories to find your favorite. You can also utilize Calm's music feature for ambient backgrounds. Choose music designed to promote relaxation or focus. Play it while working, reading, or unwinding. Another powerful tool is the breathing exercises offered. Use these exercises anytime you feel overwhelmed. Commit to setting aside time each day for relaxation. Consider creating a schedule to integrate these practices. Gradually, increase the duration of your meditation sessions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.